name is Amanda Kingery, and I'm a group leader from a church in Arvada, Colorado called Christ Community Covenant Church, and we have traveled here to Uganda to work in this place to build the building that's behind you right here, and we have just come to serve and to help street children get off of the street and have a place to stay and to eat and to get to know Jesus Christ, and we are really excited to be here. We're working on building a dormitory area for small boys. Right now they are laying on a cement floor in a really kind of crowded condition, nothing that we'd want to sleep in, and so it's just great to know that we're able to come in and kind of use our energy to do something not for ourselves but for somebody else, and just excited about the impact that's going to make and how these children are going to be able to actually get food and get love and care and clothing and education, and I'm just really excited to be here.
The team from Colorado got to work straight away. They, together with the Lukaya Polytechnic students, prepared the foundations. All the work was done manually. No cement mixers here. The next step was to start laying the bricks. And in no time at all, the building was beginning to take shape.
Alright, my name is Ben Cross and I'm here with my church from Arvada, Colorado. Honestly, I've just been inspired by the people here. We kind of came thinking that we would be a light to them and be almost like a blessing to them, but in truth it's been completely reversed, and just everything that they've done for us has been so welcoming and so loving towards us and just so joyful. It's been such a blessing and such an amazing time, and learned way more from them than I think they've learned from me by far.
Muvuka munange njagala osiriikirira owuliriza obugambo bwange bwe nkuleetera, tiwaliwo ekiseera kye nnali ndowooza nti kaakati.
The team even went to the streets to meet those living there. The dormitory will accommodate children rescued from the streets and will help to rebuild their lives. They will no longer live in these conditions. There is now hope for these children.
Hi, I'm Denise. I'm from Denver, Colorado area, and I'm here in Uganda in a small village called Lukaya. We're here to build housing for children that have been taken off the streets and given a chance to get further in life. We're giving them hope, and I'm hoping that you will see the need for this and you will give them hope. So lend a hand, pitch in, give what you can give. If it's your time, give that. If it's your money, give that. Everything is needed. These children are on the streets on their own with nothing to eat, no one to guide them, no one to nurture them. But here, they have that chance and they have that hope. Thanks.
final stages of construction were now taking place.
Open up your heart, what do you feel? Open up your heart, what do you feel? Is it real? Yeah. The Big Bang may be a million years away. Oh. But I can't think of a better time.
This home that has been constructed by our brothers from US is gonna give a serious impact on these children, the destitute, the street children. And children are also excited. Now they are having a home. It's gonna be good future for them. On behalf of HDCC Charity, we are indeed very glad, and I feel we don't have enough words to thank these friends of ours. We thank so much Rio Africa for connecting our brothers and sisters from US. Thank you so much to all the volunteers that have come to this place in Elukaya and do wonderful work, which is being in place now. Thank you so much.
Thank you.